Load on up and come with me.
It smells so good in here.
Traeger hood, get ready for deliciousness.
Hey guys, I'm Matt Pittman of Meat Church.
I'm Amanda Haas.
Chad Ward with Whiskey Bent Barbecue.
It's time to get these to the grill.
Today we're going to be making smoked prime rib,
Mallard duck tenderloin,
Cinnamon rolls right off your Traeger.
Watch and learn.
Nice little scores.
Perfect. Up your cocktail game. The amount of things that you can do is endless.
That is definitely not your mama's meatloaf.
Quick, easy, super delicious.
Beautiful, succulent,
Unbelievable.
Flavor on flavor. You can't beat that.